Okay, once again, we have the Cloud Foundry Summits coming up. The Santa Clara Summit is going to be June 13th through 15th in Santa Clara. Last year, we had a couple thousand people. We expect it to be bigger this year. Cloud Foundry continues to grow as an ecosystem. Close to 50% of the cloud native apps in the world are running on some instance of Cloud Foundry. But a couple high points. Over the last 9 months, we've enhanced the overall Cloud Foundry ecosystem pretty significantly. We've had new companies join. It's becoming a bigger and bigger ecosystem. But more importantly, we've really now focused on developer education. And so we have probably the most advanced and scalable developer education program in the world. And so this year at the Cloud Foundry Summit, it's not just about the Cloud Foundry infrastructure and the Cloud Foundry distributions. It also extends up into the developer communities like the Spring community and the .NET community, because all of those are now running on Cloud Foundry. So great opportunity, whether you're an IT person trying to understand how to optimize your cloud native and modernize some of your legacy applications that you can now run in containerized workloads over Cloud Foundry, or you're a developer that is basically shifting to DevOps and maybe developing in Spring or .NET and looking to basically build cloud native apps or to modernize your application infrastructure. All of that is going to converge in Santa Clara at probably one of the most interesting Cloud Foundry summits to date because of this convergence of both the Cloud Foundry infrastructure and the developer community on top of it, plus the certification and training efforts that we're doing to make sure that people come in reasonably educated and go out even more educated and more capable of using this technology. So super bullish on Cloud Foundry, doing very well as an industry, and quite frankly, finding more and more use cases. And so please join us. June 13th through 15th in Santa Clara. More news as we get closer to the dates, but should be a very exciting event.